The Panther KF51 is a new German main battle tank and under development by Rheinmetall Landsystem. It was unveiled publicly in June 2022 and is the first of a new main battle tank family. It represents a new concept not constrained by old technology. The Panther is the first main battle tank designed around a digital architecture complying with the NATO Generic Vehicle Standard, the key enabler for future decision support and automation systems. The Panther is a software-defined tank enabled to collect and disseminate information on the multi-domain battlefield. It's designed to control assigned unmanned aerial vehicles such as onboard or off-board drones. The fully digitized system and common crew stations are the enablers for true human-machine teaming and control of wingman unmanned ground vehicles that cover capabilities such as platoon-level air and drone defense. To reduce the weight of the Leopard 2A4 platform on which the development vehicle is based, active protection was prioritized over passive protection. The Panther has mine protection and is designed for a crew of 3, supporting future force structures with reduced numbers of soldiers. The driver is seated in the front right of the hull and is provided with a single-piece hatch above his position. A separate crew station can be provided in the left front of the hull for either a dedicated systems operator or a unit commander, like a company commander, a drone operator, or a wingman pilot. Color cameras for the driver are installed in the center of the front and rear of the hull. The Panther has a combat weight of 59 tons, making it lighter than most Western main battle tanks developed prior to 2022, possibly providing greater mobility than other main battle tanks. It fits the tunnel profile AMOVP-4L without preparation, an important requirement for railroad transportation and road movement in Europe. The Panther's maximum speed has not been disclosed, but it is said to have a maximum range higher than 500 kilometers. All those characteristics provides Panther amazing tactical and strategic mobility. The design of the Panther differs from that of the preceding generation of Western main battle tanks by the introduction of a new two-person turret fitted with an autoloaded main gun. The rear of the turret houses the magazines for the main gun's automatic loader and pods for loitering munitions if these have been equipped. The Panther is configured with a pre-shot detection capability, enabling it to strike first. The primary armament of the Panther is comprised in the 130mm future gun system and optimized sensor-to-shooter links. It uses the stabilized RH-130L/51 130mm smoothbore gun that can be elevated from -9 degrees to +20 degrees. It is said to be capable of delivering between 18 to 20 megajoules of energy onto a target and that it has a 50% longer effective range than other 120mm tank guns. The RH-130 can fire armor-piercing fin-stabilized, discarding sabot ammunition, programmable airburst, high-explosive and practice projectiles. The gun is fed by an auto-loader that consists of 2 revolving drum magazines with a capacity of 10 rounds each. During a test firing in April 2022, the RH-130 mounted on a test rig was able to fire 3 rounds in 16 seconds, though this included the time to perform safety checks. 2 hatches are in the turret sides to allow the autoloader's magazines to be replenished within 5 minutes. An option is available to carry an additional 10 rounds on the back of the vehicle outside of the hull and turret. Secondary armament consists of a coaxially mounted 12.7mm machine gun. A remote-operated weapon station can be mounted on the rear of the turret roof to provide close-in defense and a counter-unmanned aircraft system capability. All weapons are connected with targeting sights and the fire control computer through the fully digitized architecture, allowing for hunter-killer and killer-killer operation, seamless target engagements and future artificial intelligence decision support. The Panther is stated to have passive, reactive, and active layers of protection. The innermost layer consists of all welded steel armor covered by passive armor modules. The second layer comprises sensor-based reactive armor, while the final layer consists of Rheinmetall's active defense system that Rheinmetall claims can protect against kinetic energy projectiles and anti-tank guided missiles. The Panther is fitted with 8 rapid obscuring system smoke grenade launchers mounted in staggered rows of 2 behind the central camera housing on each side of the turret. It is possible to integrate sensors into the Panther that can detect the launch signature of anti-tank guided missiles and unguided anti-tank rockets before cueing the vehicle's crew towards the threat or launching appropriate countermeasures. The Panther can be fitted with top attack protection system. This comprises a hard kill element in which the coverage of the active defense system is extended to the roof of the platform to protect against both anti-tank guided missiles and unguided anti-tank rockets launched at high elevations, as well as a soft kill element that aims to protect against threats such as loitering munitions. The optional Hero 120 loitering ammunition capability expands the Panther's strike capability to non-line of sight targets and can be mounted depending on role and mission requirements. How about you? Do you think the new Panther is a real game changer in the modern warfare? Is it going to become the best tank in the world? We would like to hear your opinion. Leave your comments. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and write down your comments. Share it with your friends. This is very important for the growth of the channel and to produce more videos about world military history. See you in the next video. Goodbye.